Now in the final videos we are going to be developing the footer, all this section in here. What I am going to be doing with this section, I am just going to be creating new divisions so we can have this new module in here, and all these new, this will be a new module. Let me click in here. This will be a new module, and a new module together with this, and all the way to the bottom you are going to have a new module. Okay, now the way that I am going to be building this footer will be as follow. We are going to have, first of all, everything will be wrapped inside a new division. This division will be called wrapper bottom or something like that. And then inside there we are going to have the pink top bar in here. Then below we are going to have the boxes division. This boxes division will contain another division, which will be the box center division. This box center division will contain all the modules, the left box, the center box, and the right box. And all the way to the bottom we are going to have the footer module in here. Okay, so hopefully with these images you can get an idea what we are going to be doing. Let me go back to my, below this video you are going to be able to find this specific HTML markup. Let me go in here, all this HTML markup from the bottom wrapper and all the way down in here. Okay, all this HTML markup together with the PHP code that we are going to be using will contain all the new modules. If you analyze in here, everything will be wrapped inside the division with the ID bottom wrapper, and then inside there you are going to have all the way to the top the pink bar division, and inside there you are going to have the module pink bar. Remember, you can give any name you want to your modules, and below you are going to be able to see the division with the ID boxes, and inside that division you are going to have another division with the ID box center. All these main divisions are going to contain the main modules, the module low left box, low center box, and the low right box. These are going to be the modules in here, all these modules. Okay, so let me go back. Then at the end you are going to have the footer division, and if you notice, everything will be wrapped, especially when you analyze the modules. You are going to be able to see this PHP code. And if you already took the Joomla bootcamp and the HTML to Joomla bootcamp, you already know that this PHP code will be eliminating all this HTML markup when it is not going to be active inside the template. So it is going to be really important. So the only thing you are going to be doing is copy the HTML markup from below. You are just going to copy. Let me show you. Copy all this, and you are going to go to your original index.php. Let me show you. You are going to be eliminating all in here. Then backspace, and you are going to close the division, which will be the final division for this main wrapper, this one in here. Then let me go down, and we are going to click in here, click enter, and Ctrl V. That's all you are going to be doing. You are already familiar with all this HTML markup and this PHP code. So you are just going to paste, Ctrl S, and then you are going back to your FTP connection. and in here we are going to upload the new index.php. Right click and upload, click OK to replace, and we are going to refresh. So for this video that will be it, and on the next video we are going to start working on the administrator, because inside there we are going to start inserting all this information. For right now that will be it, and let's move on to the next video.